Good morning, my dear student. Let us see lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. So let us see practice set 12. Already we have seen few examples from question number 1. So let us see one more example from practice set 12 and question number 1. Find the HCF. So example number 10. 777, 315 and 588. So we have to find HCF of these three numbers. So let us take first number 777 and we have to find factors by using factorization method. So last digit is 7, which is odd number, and it is divisible by 7. Therefore 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. Now let us check by 3 because last digit is 1. So 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9, that is 2 remain. 2 and 1, that is we got 21. And 3 7s are 21. Now see here 37, which is a prime number and which is divisible by 1 and 37. So therefore 37 ones are 37. Now we got factors of 777, that is 7 into 3 into 37. Now let us take next number 315 and we have to find its factors by using factorization method. So this number is divisible by 3 because last digit is 5. So 3 ones are 3. 3 cannot divide 1, therefore we have to take 0. And now we have to take 15. 3 5s are 15. Now we can divide by 3 or 5. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, that is 1 remain. We got 15 and 3 5s are 15. 35 is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. 7 is a prime number. Therefore it is divisible by 7 and 1. 7 ones are 7. Therefore factors of 315, that is 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So we can write 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now let us take next number 588. We have to find out factors by using factorization method. See, last digit is 8 and therefore it is even number and it is divisible by 2. Therefore 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1 remain. We got 18. 2 9s are 18 and 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. Last digit is 4, therefore it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1 remain. 1 and 4, that is we got 7 14. 2 7s are 14. Now 147. See, last digit is 7, so which is divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21 or 3 7s are 21 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors of 588. So we can write factors of 588, that is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3. Now we have to find common divisor of all these three numbers. Therefore common divisor is equal to, we have to take common number from these three numbers. So 7 is common. Now 3 is common. Here 37 is there. In 315, 37 is not there. Even in 588, 37 is not there. Therefore, we can't take. So only we got two numbers which are common from these three numbers. Therefore, 7 into 3, that is we got 21. 7 3s are 21. And therefore, here we got HCF of these three numbers. HCF of 777, 350 and 588, that is 21. Now let us see next point. The division method for finding the HCF. So let us say example. Find the HCF of 144 and 252. So two numbers are given and we have to find HCF, that is highest common factor. So first we have to take bigger number, and bigger number is divided by smaller number. So let us see steps. Step number 1. Divide the bigger number by the smaller one. So we divided the bigger number, that is 252, divided by smaller, that is 144. Now see, 141s are 144. 144 into 2, that is 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So here we got 288, which is bigger than 252. Therefore we can't take. So 141s are 144. Now we have to do subtraction. 252 minus 144. So here 4 cannot be subtracted from 2, that is we got 12 by taking borrow from 1. So here we got 12 and here we got 4. So 12 minus 4, that is 8. 4 minus 4, 0. And here we got 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now we got 108. Now this number, see the step number 2, divide the previous divisor by the remainder. Now this previous divisor, that is 144. So this remainder is 108. So divide the previous divisor. Previous divisor, that is 144, which is divided by the remainder 108. Now see, 108s are 108 and 108 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry, that is 1. 2 1s are 2, that is 216, which is bigger than 144. So we can't take. So 108 1s are 108. So here 144 minus 108. So here 14 and here we got 3. So 14 minus 8, that is 6 and 3. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now here we got 36. Now again see the step. Again divide the divisor by the remainder. We got remainder 36 and we have to divide to previous divisor, that is 108. Now see, let us check in 36 table 108 is there or not. 36 2s are 72. Already we know that. 2 6 are 12. 1 carried. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. That is 72. 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 carried. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 8. 108. So here we got 36 3s are 108. Now we got 3. 36 3s are 108. 108 minus 108, that is 0. Now remainder is 0. See, remainder is 0, then the divisor is the HCF of given number. We continue these steps till the remainder becomes 0. So here we got remainder 0, and therefore we have to take this divisor, which is the HCF, that is 36, and therefore we can say that HCF of 144 and 252, that is 36. So always remember, we have to take bigger number, 252, which is divided by smaller. So 141 are 144. So 252 minus 144, that is we got 108. This remainder we have to divide to bigger number, that is previous divisor 144. Now 144 divided by 108, that is we got 108. Ones are 108. So 144 minus 108, that is we got 36. Now again we have to take previous divisor, that is 108, which is divisible by remainder 36, and 36 3s are 108. Already we did multiplication, 36 into 2, 36 into 3. So 36 into 3s are 108. So here we got 36 3s are 108. So 108 minus 108, that is 0. Now remainder 0. Therefore we have to consider this divisor as HCF, and therefore HCF of 144 and 252, that is 36. So don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Let us see examples from practice set 12, question number 2. Bye. Take care.